We're talking about systems of equations, and we want to solve systems of linear equations in two variables and use algebraic methods to solve linear systems. So right now, we are going to use substitution. And the best situation, we want to find a variable with a coefficient of 1. It'll be the easiest in order to solve. So solve one of the equations for one of its variables. Substitute the new equation from step 1 into the equation that you haven't used yet. Solve it, and then substitute that value into the equation and solve for the other variable. Check your ordered pairs. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first thing, we want to get one of the variables that has a coefficient of 1. So here we have coefficient of 3, coefficient of 4, coefficient of 2, and the x here has a coefficient of 1. So the first thing is I want to solve to get this x by itself. So I can subtract 2y from both sides, and I get x is equal to 2 minus 2y. Okay, so I rewrote this equation here. Now I want to take what I rewrote and put it into this top equation here. So this is step 1. Now over here, I want to do step 2. So the x is equal to 2 minus 2y. So I'm going to take this 2x, or 2 minus 2y, and I'm going to substitute it in for x. So 3, and now I'm going to just change my pen for this step here to really illustrate where that x went to. And then we want to write plus 4y minus or equals negative 4. Now we want to do our math to solve to get y by itself. So I can distribute the 3. I get 6 minus 6y plus 4y equals negative 4. We can combine like terms here. So we get 6 minus 2y is equal to negative 4. Subtract 6. We get negative 2y is equal to negative 10. Divide by negative 2. And then we get y is equal to 5. So that's step 1. Step 2 is rewrite it and substitute. Now we got to take step 3, and we can take our variable here and we're going to substitute it into the bottom equation. So we know we have x plus 2, and then we know that our y is equal to 5. That's what we just calculated. And then that's equal to 2. So then we have x plus 10 equals 2. Subtract 10. And then we get x is equal to negative 8. So now we know, or we think we know what our x is. We think we know what our y is. And now we just have to check to make sure that we're correct. So we're going to use the top equation, which is 3, and we're going to substitute x in, negative 8. Then we say plus 4, and our y is 5. And it says that that is equal to negative 4, and we want to check that. So 3 times 8, or negative 8, is negative 24, plus 4 times 5 is 20, and that is equal to negative 4. So that does check out. Negative 24 plus 20 is negative 4. So negative 4 equals negative 4. So that is true.